presenting a pre-owned 1999 Ford Explorer XL. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 4.0-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 113,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include window defogger, front air conditioning, power steering, airbags, anti-lock brakes, and power brakes.